Hello guys, welcome to the Cartley platform. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to tell your story with your homepage, making it look beautiful like this without any sort of coding at all. Let's get started. First, you go to the store landing pages, right here, and then you press on the add new, but since we already have a lot, I'm just going to go by showing you on those. First, you choose the type. There's multiple different types. There's banner, content, reviews, so much different types. Then you choose the layout. For ours, we chose cover, so you can see because it covers the whole thing. And then we chose the heading to be scratch wings as viewed right here. Then we chose the subheading right here, and it shows right under. And then we chose the sort to be the first thing that is seen right here. It's the first thing. Then for the media, we chose a URL, a video, right there. And then for the action buttons, these are something that you can add and label what it's going to be called whenever you view it, and then you can press on it and it takes you to that. For example, if you press on menu and you name it start here, you press on it and it takes you to the menu right away. We'll show you guys that in another thing. Next, we have the content. For this type, we chose content, and then we chose a card layout. As you can see, it looks like a card. And then we chose the alignment to be on the left, and then we chose the about us. Of course, you can choose about right. There's multiple different options. It's very, very variety. So it really helps you to make your story the way that you want it to be viewed and the way your story is. Then we chose the subheading, and then we chose it to be the second thing that's viewed. Then we chose an image, and then for the action button, we chose about and discover more. So for instance, if you press on the discover more button, it automatically takes you to the About Us page. Next, we have another content one, which is right here, which is the same idea. Next thing we have is the features, the Why Us page. See right here, when you first start to do it, all you have to do is put the type, the heading, and the subheading, and the sort. But you can design it way more by pressing on the features section. You press all the different features you want to add. We put focus on quality, focus on customer experience, focus on unique flavors, focus on passion and professionalism, and then you edit that, of course, based on how you would like and the content and the picture that you would like. As you see here, we put it in order. We made it all designed in the way that we wanted to describe it. After this, we have the banner. It's the same thing as the first one. It's the same way you make it. Like you see this. It has no heading, it just has a subheading though. Now for the next one, we have the gallery. This just has a bunch of images of the foods we made. And over here, select page, it has nothing. So you can see, you can move around and see the different foods. Like so. The next thing we have is the top picks. Right here. The type is going to be top picks. You can do it order online, and then we have no subheading, and then we sorted it for the 9th thing. And then we have the different items that are shown. The top picks are basically the most pick choices from the store. This is where you can really talk about the most things that are really liked. And then if you press on the continue shopping button, it takes you to the menu, which is something really, really awesome for if you wanted easy access to the menu while you're looking at the homepage. It really helps the customer. Next thing we have is the reviews. Right here, of course, you just do the type, the heading, the subheading, and then you sort it, and status, all basic, and then this is where it really gets nice. You go and place all the different reviews you have. You can place images of the reviews, or you can type out what the reviews said, and you can put what stars they gave you. This really helps customers want to buy it more because they know the different people who have reviewed it and if they liked it or if they didn't. As you see right here, they're shown like this. And then last but not least, we have the dive in button, which is just a video of scratch wings and our store that explains our store very, very well. The next thing for the store landing page we have is our stories. This, if you go to this section, this is where it really talks about our story in our store. Right here, we explained our a subheading where we really did explain it, and it allows the customers to really know what our story is about, who made it, and etc. All that nice information. Then the careers are all the different jobs you can get. As you can see, we can see them right here. And if you want to apply to Scratch Wings, it's very simple. You just press on careers and then you see it right here, and you can make it as simple as that as well. All the different bars right here we have: home, menu, order status, branches, about us, our story, career, terms and conditions. They're very simple to get to. And then lastly, we have the contact, which is the contact information for customer service. You can view it right here. We put the number of the customer service and the email of the customer service, as well as our Facebook and Instagram. And then you press save with all of those, and then you're done. Thank you for watching.